If you want to build, grow, and monetize an audience, you need a platform that works for you, not against you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a newsletter in Beehiiv in 2026. And so we are walking step by step through getting your publication off the ground from scratch. Before we dive into the dashboard, let's talk about what this website actually is and who it's built for. Beehiiv is an all-in-one publishing platform specifically designed for creators, writers, entrepreneurs, and media brands. It combines a website builder, an email sending service, and data analytics all under one roof. Why are so many creators choosing Beehiiv over older platforms like MailChimp or direct competitors like Substack? The answer comes down to ownership, growth, and design. Unlike Substack, which takes a hefty 10% cut of your subscription revenue, Beehiiv lets you keep what you earn. And unlike legacy email marketing tools, Beehiiv has built-in growth features, like a referral program and a recommendation network, that actually help you find new readers automatically. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. Our affiliate link provides 20% off for 3 months. Let's get started. Setting up your account takes just a few seconds. You'll enter your email, create a secure password, and confirm your account. Once you're in, you will be prompted to name your publication. For this tutorial, let's imagine we are building a newsletter called The Weekly Insight. We'll type that in, and then choose a custom Beehiiv URL. You can always connect a custom web domain later, but for now we will use the default web address provided. Welcome to your Beehiiv dashboard. In 2026, they've refined this interface to be incredibly intuitive by grouping everything you need on this left-hand sidebar. At the very top, you'll see a prominent Plus New button. This is your quick action menu for drafting new posts. Moving down the sidebar, we have our main categories. First is Publish, which houses your newsletters and website pages. Below that is Audience, where you will manage your subscribers and automated emails. Then we have Monetize, for when you are ready to explore their ad network or sell products. And tucked away at the very bottom left is your Settings menu. Before we write a single word, the absolute first thing you must do is set up your brand settings. A well-designed publication builds trust instantly. So let's head down to that Settings button at the bottom and establish our look. Before we even think about writing our first post, we need to establish your core brand details. Think of this as laying the foundation for your digital house. Click on Settings at the bottom left of your sidebar. This takes you immediately to the General Info page. Here is where you manage your global information, the core identity of your newsletter. Take a moment to thoughtfully enter your publication name and craft a compelling, one-line description. This description is often the first thing potential subscribers will read, so make it clear, punchy, and instantly communicate the exact value they will get by subscribing. Scroll down just a bit to the Publication Logo section. Go ahead and upload your logo here. A massive best practice to remember: always use a transparent PNG file. If you use a standard JPEG with a white background, it will look blocky and unprofessional against any non-white backgrounds on your site, or if a reader uses dark mode. A transparent PNG ensures it blends seamlessly into the header of your website and your email deliveries. Right below that, you will also want to upload your default thumbnail. This is the preview image that appears when your link is shared on social media platforms like X or LinkedIn. Finally, don't forget the favicon, that tiny square icon that shows up in the web browser tab. It helps readers find your site when they have a dozen tabs open, establishing that premium professional feel. With our general info locked in, it's time to actually design the visual aesthetics of our publication. To customize your colors and fonts, click the back arrow at the top left of the settings menu to return to your main dashboard. Next, Look under the Publish category on the sidebar and click on Website. Welcome to your design builder. This interface is where you control the look and feel of your landing page and emails without needing to know a single line of code. Let's start with typography. A crucial design tip for 2026. Digital minimalism is highly preferred. Your readers are busy, so your text needs to be effortless to read. For your primary body text, I strongly advise choosing a clean, modern sans serif font like Inter, Roboto, or Helvetica. These fonts lack extra stylistic strokes on the letters, meaning they render perfectly and crisply on smaller mobile devices. And remember, over 70% of your audience will likely be reading your newsletter on their phone. For your headers, feel free to use a serif font to add some editorial personality, but keep that body text clean and readable. Next, let's move over to colors. You want to anchor your publication with one primary high-contrast brand color. This specific color does a lot of heavy lifting for you. Beehiiv will automatically use it for your buttons, your hyperlinks, and your most important call to action areas. If your website background is white or a very light gray, choosing a deep navy blue, a vibrant emerald green, or a bold purple will make your subscribe buttons completely pop off the screen, driving higher conversion rates. Whatever you do, never use pale yellows, light pinks, or soft greens for your text or buttons. They create poor contrast, fail accessibility standards, and simply get lost on the screen. With your brand looking sharp, let's look at the Audience section. If you are starting entirely from scratch, this will be empty, and that's perfectly fine. However, if you are migrating from another platform, you can easily import your existing list. You simply export your list as a CSV file from your old provider and upload it here. Beehiiv automatically scrubs your list for duplicates. From this dashboard, you can click on any individual subscriber to see their engagement metrics, what emails they open, and what links they click. This data is incredibly powerful as you scale. Now for the fun part. Let's write our first issue. Click on that plus New button at the top left of your sidebar and select Blank Draft Post. This brings you into the block-based editor. First, type in your title. This title appears on your website. Next, look at the email subject line on the right-hand menu. This is the most important part of your newsletter. It determines if someone actually opens your email. Keep it punchy and invoke curiosity. To start writing and bring up the block menu, simply type a / on your keyboard. You can easily insert headings, lists, images, and buttons. Keep your paragraph short, 2 or 3 sentences maximum, and use headings to make your newsletter skimmable. Let's add an image. Always add alt text to your images in the right-hand sidebar for accessibility. Finally, let's add a button. Use buttons strategically to drive traffic to your website or products. Because we set up our brand colors earlier, this button automatically populates in our beautiful primary color. Before we hit send, let's look at a few advanced features. On the right side, under the SEO tab, you can customize your SEO title and description. Because Beehiiv turns your emails into blog posts on your website, filling this out helps you rank on Google and grow organically over time. Next, under the email settings, you can use dynamic tags to insert a subscriber's first name into the email. Saying, "Hey John," instead of "Hey there," drastically increases reader connection. Just ensure you actually collected their first name on your sign-up form. Once you are happy with the layout, click the Publish button in the top right. You'll be met with a pre-flight checklist. It will show you a preview of how the email looks on both desktop and mobile. Always check the mobile preview. From here, you have 2 options. You can publish and send the email immediately, or you can schedule it. Scheduling is highly recommended. Consistency is the secret to a successful newsletter. Using the scheduling tool allows you to batch write your content and let the platform handle the distribution. And, just like that, you have successfully configured your brand, designed your website, and scheduled your very first newsletter. As you continue to use the platform, you can begin exploring the Monetize section on the sidebar to set up the ad network and leverage boosts to rapidly grow your audience. But mastering the editor and your brand settings is the perfect foundation. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. Our affiliate link provides 20% off for 3 months. Thank you for watching, happy writing, and good luck building your audience.